When I first came to Ridge Valley School, it was really tough for me to do any Hindi. All these teachers who I've had throughout the years in this school have helped me so much. Slowly, they've helped me to where I've grown from a person who barely knew Hindi. I was struggling with textbooks. I was very slow at reading or writing Hindi. And now I'm picking up the pace. I'm much better than what I was when I first entered. I know a lot now, and I feel like I've been nurtured so much by my teachers just because of the extra care they've given me. They made me from a person who doesn't know almost any Hindi to a person who now can speak Hindi fluently and can write fluently as well.